Hello everyone, today we will be talking about MI Powerbank 3i, which provides you with a 20,000 mAh battery. But before we begin, let's have a look at the box first. So like I've mentioned right now, it provides you with a 20,000 mAh battery, which is written right over here. Moving on, you can see it provides you with a triple port output. It has a dual input port. It provides you with 12-layer advanced chip protection. And I think without further ado, we should start off with the unboxing. So there is a user manual right over here, as you can see. Moving on, in this cardboard enclosing, you will find the power bank right over here. Let me just take it out for you. As you can see, it's pretty compact when you look at it. It's little on the heavier side, but I mean, it's providing you with a 20,000 mAh battery, so this was expected. Lastly, you will find a charging cable. Let me just take it out for you. There you go. So as you can see, it's a C-type charging cable right over here. And that's about it. So that's all folks. This is what you'll find in the box of MI Powerbank 3i. Thank you so much for watching the video.
The product comes in this yellow packaging with the product image on the front. We have the Realme branding on its sides, and at the back we have the key features printed. Upon unboxing, we get quick start guide and the power bank. Despite being a 10,000 mAh power bank, it is sleek, has this texture on its polycarbonate housing, and on the front we have the Realme branding. At the top we have two USB ports to charge our smartphones or any other device, and we also have two more ports to charge this power bank, a micro USB port and a Type-C port.